Changing all the front bulbs on the VW Polo MK5. Got two T30 torque screws to remove on the top of the headlamp assembly. Remove the wiring harness to the headlamp assembly. Now the headlamp assembly is just held on with two clips, so if you pull the assembly back, and I'll put a piece of carpet down just so that there's something soft to put the assembly on and the bumper. So we've got the dip beam on the outside of the light, high beam and the side light on the inside, and the indicator at the bottom. We'll start with the dip beam. We're just twisting anti-clockwise and pulling out this connector. When dealing with bulbs, it's always good to wear gloves so that you don't get grease on the glass. And the H7s just pull out of the connector and replace the same way. This is the bottom, and you've got the protrusion here, which is the top of the bulb. Some of the models do have H4 bulbs, but these are H7, both dipped and main beam. Now for the main beam and side light bulb. So because the wiring harness is together, it's easier to pull the side light bulb out even if you are only changing the main beam. The side light bulb is a W5W wedge bulb. They're nice and easy to replace. And the main beam is another H7 bulb, same as the dip beam. The connector's exactly the same way around. And the side light just pushes back in. Finally, the indicator bulb, and that's a PY21W bulb. Now for the fog light. So on a lot of cars you'll access the bulb from behind, maybe from the wing or underneath, but on the MK5 Polo this piece of plastic can be removed. It may be a little bit difficult if it's not been removed before. And then we've got two T25 torque screws at the bottom of the lamp. And finally, two plastic clips that can be pushed out of the way to release the assembly. Disconnects the wiring connector. And the fog light bulb is a H8 bulb, so the this plastic part is part of the bulb, and you would be replacing the whole part seen here. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. If it has, then please do take the time to like and comment. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos on this car and many others. Thank you.